Amberstone Properties is coming up with its newly launched project now in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser for the same. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project. So I'm standing inside the land parcel itself. So right over here will be the main entrance. So let me show you the main entrance. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself and the marketing office of the project is here inside. Now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in total 4 acre of land parcel consisting of 2 residential tower, each rising from 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, offering you 2 BHK and 3 BHK in different variants with 80% of open space, maximum greenery in the project. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in Chambenahalli off Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance and this road will lead you towards Sarjapur main road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Sarjapur main road in just 2.3 kilometers away. Oaks Ridge International School is 4.1 kilometers away and D-Mart which is 4.8 kilometers from this project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and Amberstone Properties is coming up with luxurious amenities in this project like of multi-purpose court, kids play area, swimming pool, gymnasium, open space to relax, clubhouse and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and this project offers you 2 BHK and 3 BHK different variant premium residencies where 2 BHK is of 1136 square feet super built up area, 3 BHK 2T is 1430 square feet to 1494 square feet super built up area, 3 BHK 3T is 1605 to 1669 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. So our project booking window is open now and we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a teaser of Amberstone Properties newly launched project in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.